North Sulawesi is 2,506,981. The province's capital and largest city is Manado, which is also the main gateway and the economic center of the province. Other major towns include Stormohong and Biting in the northern. Most geologic conditions in the province are consisted mainly of young volcanic regions, with numerous eruptions and many active volcanic cones that adorn the central Minasa, Bolang Mongandu and Sangihe Islands. North Sulawesi in the past was an area of potential spices, rice and gold, which became a battleground for the interests of economic hegemony between the Portuguese, Spanish, Dutch and the kingdoms around this area, which ultimately led to political and military struggles. The past of this region also became the trading route between West and East and the spread of Christianity, Islam and belief or religion brought by Chinese merchants. The Portuguese first landed on the area at the 16th century. Following decades of war between the Portuguese, the Spanish and the Dutch to control the area, ultimately fell to the Dutch at the 17th century. The Dutch ruled the area for 3 centuries, before being ousted by the Japanese on the eve of World War II. Following the Japanese surrender in 1945, the Dutch briefly regained possession of the area, before finally leaving for real in 1949, following the Round Table Conference, in which the Dutch recognized the newly created United States of Indonesia. Thus, North Sulawesi was incorporated into the territory of the state of East Indonesia. Because it was not in accordance with the will of the people, it was finally dissolved and then merged into the Republic of Indonesia. On the 17th of August 1950, the RIS was officially disbanded and then reformed as the unitary state of the Republic of Indonesia. The island of Sulawesi was governed briefly as a single province, before being separated into several different provinces. Thus, the province of North Sulawesi was created on the 14th of August 1959. The area around North Sulawesi used to be called Minasa. The name is still used sometimes to refer to the province. The word Minasa is etymologically derived from the words Mina Isar or Mesa, which means being one, or uniting, meaning hope to unite various subethnic groups of Minasa consisting of Tontembong, Tombulu, Tonsi, Tolawa, Tonswing, Ponasan, Pasan, and Bantik. The word Minasa itself was only used during the colonial era. Minasa is generally interpreted as having become one, based on several historical documents. The word Minasa is firstly used by J.D. Shearstein, the Dutch regent of Manado, in his report to the governor of Maluku on 8 October 1789. The word Minasa in his report is defined as Landrada, State Council, or Regional Council. Archaeological research has revealed signs of human life in North Sulawesi since 30,000 years ago, based on evidence in the cave Liang Seru on the island of Salibabu. Other evidence shows life about 6,000 years ago on the Paso hillside site in Kakas district and 4,000 years ago to early AD at the Liang Tuo Mane cave in Arinka on Karakelang Island. At the end of the 16th century, Portuguese and Spanish arrived in North Sulawesi. As Europeans arrived, the Ternate Sultanate had an influence in North Sulawesi, frequented by Bugis traders from South Sulawesi. The wealth of Minasa's natural resources makes Manado a strategic port for European traders going to and from Maluku. The Portuguese nation was the first Western nation to arrive in North Sulawesi. A Portuguese ship anchored on the island of Manado in the Kingdom of Manado in 1521. The northern islands of the peninsula were under the control of the Sultanate of Meguindano during the time. The Spanish ship docked on the island of Dalad and Siu. On to Ternate, the Portuguese built the fort at Amuring. Spain built the fort in Manado. Since then Minasa started in control of Spain. The resistance against the Spanish occupation culminated in 1660 to 1664. The Dutch ship landed in Manado city in 1660 in assisting the struggle of the Minasa Confederation against Spain. The United Nations Republican Association of members of the Minasa Confederation entered into a trade agreement with the VOC. This trade cooperation agreement then made the VOC monopolize the trade, which gradually began to impose its will, eventually leading to the 1700s resistance in Ritahan, which culminated in the Dutch-Minasa War in 1809 to 1811 at Tondano. The Spanish had colonized the Philippine Islands at the time, and Minasa was made a coffee plantation imported from South America because of its fertile Minasa land. Manado was further developed by Spain to become a center of coffee trade for Chinese merchants. With the help of Minasan tribes who became allies, Spain captured the Portuguese fort at Amurang in the 1550s, and the Spanish colonists then built the fort in Manado, so that eventually Spain controlled all Minasa. In the 16th century, one of T.